And that again is going to be a big threat, for the development of India. I think again this is something that is a failed, foreign policy, and the approach is questionable. And now the neighboring countries, because of the attitude of the government of India, are reacting very differently. This was not the scene in the UPA regime. So China also has blocked India's membership of nuclear suppliers group, asking for parity with Pakistan. I mean, this international politics also, India has to suffer because of the policy paralysis of the International Affairs Ministry, uh, External Affairs Ministry of the Government of India. And now China also at many fronts, is aiding Pakistan when India sort of was asking Pakistan to be declared as a terror state. Even then, many neighboring countries, had a different opinion. So now Pakistan also has gained, some access to Russia, and that again, the military cooperation agreement with Pakistan that Russia has signed recently has also sort of, affected or harmed the prospects of India